The top 5 best heavy-duty washing machine recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. This Giantex portable full automatic laundry washing machine only needs a small space for store, which is a solution for compact living. Once you set the washing machine program, you could just leave it alone to work and do your own stuffs. It could relieve your hands and you could use the time to do other things. 5 programs for choosing: wash, rinse, spin, soak, wash, rinse, spin, wash, wash, rinse, spin, spin, with 3 water level, L/16L, M/23L, H/30L. Recommendation number 2. Comfy Portable Washing Machine. The full automatic washing machine equipped with heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soap 5 programs and 3 water levels. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You're also welcome to customize your washing program by selecting load size, adding wash time, rinse time, and spin time. This top-load compact washing machine with only 18.1 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 31.5 inches in height. This portable washer is able to be stored easily. You can store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. Even better. Recommendation number 3. Portable Laundry Washing Machine by Black Plus Decker. The Black Plus Decker portable washer might be the solution to your cleaning problems. Popular among urban city dwellers who are short on space, this automatic compact washer cleaner is perfect for apartments, as you can set up this machine and connect it to your kitchen sink. Stores easily and can be tucked neatly in a corner for a minimal space taking. You can take this washer with you on your weekend or overnight camping trip, even that RV getaway. Parents have also used this mini auto washer to clean baby bibs, messy kids' clothes after burping and feedings. Recommendation number 4. Washing Machine Nictomop Portable Washer. This portable washing machine equipped with a drain pump and an extended hose to easily drain the water to the sink, which has 10 programs and 8 water level selections with LED display. All functions and operation including water level/spin, program/delay, time set, and child lock are listed clearly. Operation steps: 1. Add water into the portable washer and dryer. 2. Power on the laundry machine. 3. Select a program as you need. 4. Press start button. This apartment laundry machine owns very precise time and water control function through its smart control panel. Under delay function. Recommendation number 5. Portable washer. 17.5 pounds full automatic washing machine. This Nictomop portable full automatic washing machine is the better choice for home, apartments, RV camping, and dorms. This washing machine adopts fully automatic programming design, which is a good helper in sharing housework. It has washing and dehydration functions, so you don't need to buy an additional dehydrator. The compact and lightweight design allows you to move and transport to any place. The max weight capacity of this washing machine can reach 17.5 pounds, ensuring that you can wash multiple clothes at one time.